I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Windows 11 build and getting administrator access. This matters because moving the taskbar side often needs a utility or registry work. Once done, choose your method. Use a supported app like Explorer Patcher, or start all back for a safe, reversible change, or prepare to tweak the registry if you prefer manual control. Make sure to create a system restore point and export the registry key before changes, because that saves time and prevents data loss if anything goes wrong. You now install the chosen utility and run it as administrator. This grants the app the hooks it needs to modify Explorer behavior. Once installed, open its settings, find taskbar position, and select left or right. The tool changes layout without risky manual edits. Then customize size, icon spacing, and auto-hide so the taskbar fits your workflow. If you prefer a registry route instead, export stuck rex 3 first, then apply the change and restart Explorer. But the app method is simpler and reversible. Finish by restarting Explorer or rebooting. You'll see the taskbar snap to the side you chose. Verify icons, system tray items, and multi-monitor behavior, and tweak settings for consistency. If something goes wrong, restore the registry backup or uninstall the utility to revert quickly. Make sure to try safe mode if Explorer won't restart, and reinstall the app if settings don't persist. That single troubleshooting step resolves most persistent issues without deeper system intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.